in the real estate justice system. Squatter-based offenses are considered especially annoying. In Orange County, the dedicated agents who investigate these cases are members of an elite squad known as the Squatter Eviction Unit. These are their stories.
Okay, we're here at a residence in Orange County. We got an alert from a homeowner that she believed somebody had broken into her house and they possibly were squatting. And so we went and got a realtor search warrant yesterday for the house. And so we're legal to go in, and Alex and I are meeting at the property. We'll get suited up and we'll get into that house. She gave us the key, so that's gonna be an easy entry. She gave us the key, so we're gonna go in there and see what's happening with the property and possibly get this person out of there. Okay, we're here at the residence. We've got the warrant. We're ready to go. It's a no-knock warrant, but we have a key, so we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna go right. I want you to go left and check that area, okay?
Yep.
You got my back?
Got your back.
Okay.
Come on out. Really right there.
Realtor with a warrant, come on out.
Nowhere to go.
Saw you go in.
Nowhere to go. We got you.
Hello?
Come on out.
Realtor with a warrant, come on out. Thank you for looking at our video. I appreciate it. I wanted to let you know that there were no Chads harmed in this video whatsoever. This is Chad. This is Alex. I'm Joe. I also want to thank Michaela Nguyen for letting us use her home that she has listed for sale for this video. So we will see you next time, probably next year. And if you want to look at the video we did last year on April Fools, check that one out. Thanks again.